ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ውድ የማህበራዊ ድረገጽ ቤተሰቦቼ ዛሬ ደግሞ ስለ asking for offer, polite expressions, asking for a reason, the correct usage of WH questions like that we will see in for English Ethiopian Secondary School Leaving Certificate Examinations worksheet. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe our channel and let's proceed to the questions. Thank you. Question number 5 here. Daughter, I think brilliant students should be exempted from cost sharing. Mother blank, money should not be a reward for good work. See, I think just it is the daughter is asking for telling her opinion, telling her opinion for her mother. But what the mother should be responding is just we can understand from the last phrase. Money should not be a reward for good work. See, daughter says that cost sharing should be not for brilliant students. So this means brilliant students should not pay a cost sharing. She is saying, okay, money should not be a reward for good work. So mother is just refusing. Okay, mother is just refusing her daughter's idea. So how she can refuse? እንዴት ነው refuse ማድረግ የምትችለው? refuse ስናደርግ politely እንዴት ነው refuse ማድረግ የምንችለው ለሚለው እኒ እስኪ choice A, what it says, I'm afraid I can't agree. Yeah, by the way, I am afraid is the correct form for refusing, okay, in politely. Just we are talking about polite expressions here. I am afraid, one of the polite expressions is here. I am afraid I can't agree. Just daughter's mother is disagreeing, but she is politely disagreeing. This is good way to express disagreement politely. What about B? No, I don't accept this foolish idea. No, yeah, this idea is actually correct, but foolish idea. You see, I don't accept this foolish idea. This is not polite form of expressing, okay? Just comparable to A, I'm afraid I can't agree. This is the best answer. A is the best answer actually. But in B, I don't accept. No, she can say it is okay. I don't accept this foolish idea. This is not a proper and formal way of expressing, okay? So B should not be the correct answer. What about C? Shut up. Money should not be a reward for good work. By the way, shut up is something like someone has talked for in cases that he or she has upset or something. So this is also not a polite form to express. This is stupid. This stupid is not also a proper and formal way of expressing for a disagreement, okay? For disagreement. So correct answer is A. Correct answer is A. I am afraid I can't agree. Money should not be a reward for good work. So what about the question number 6? Ararso, what is your opinion about the need for college education? Gerata blank. See, Ararso is asking for opinion for a specific case. You see, for a specific case. The directly gives a clear opinion, okay? Clear opinion. It is opinion actually, but he is directly giving a clear opinion about education, college education, the need for college education. So for Jirata, Ararso has gave clear opinion and just he is asking for opinion again. You see, so what should be the response from Jirata's side? A, I feel certain that it's absolutely necessary. B, what is the requirement for to join a college? B is just a question. So B should not be the answer. What about A? Let's see. See, I think I have a good idea about it. I think I have a good idea about it. I feel certain that it is absolutely necessary. በእርግጠኝነት በትክክለኝነት አስፈላጊ ነው። So A is the correct answer here. I feel certain that it is absolutely necessary. ኤ በጣም ትክክለኛ የሆነ አይዲያ ነው እዚህ ጋር። ቢ what is the requirement to join college? it is a question, so it should be not be the answer because Ararso is asking for opinion. C I think is good way of expressing opinion, but I have a good idea about it. I think I have a good idea about it. It is not specific. C is not specific. C is correct actually, but it is not specific. I think is good way to express opinion. I have a good idea about it. So C is not direct responding because Ararso is asking for a specific opinion, but Jirata is telling him that he has some good idea about it. It is actually good choice, but this should be specific. እንግዲህ what is your opinion ብሎ ስለጠየቀው I think I have a good idea about it ካለ አይዲያውን ነው እንጂ የሚፈልገው ቲንክ እንደሚያደርግ ጉድ አይዲያ እንዳለው አይደለም የጠየቀው። ምንድነው ስፔሲፊክ የሆነ አንሰር መመለስ አለበት። ዲ none of my children joined college. ሶ ልጆቼ ምንም ኮሌጅ ጆይን ያደረጉ ስለሌሉ አይነት ጆይን አላደረጉም። ሶ it is not my worry like that. D is like that, but this should not be the correct answer. So A is the correct answer here. Choice A is the correct answer. I feel certain that it is absolutely necessary. በእርግጠኝነት እርግጠኛ መሆነው ነገር እሱ በጣም absolutely necessary እንደሆነ ነው። So A is the correct answer here. What about question number 7? Mother, tell me why schools are closed in current in Ethiopia. Daughter blank. እንግዲህ ትምህርት ቤቶች ለምንድን ነው ክረምት ላይ የሚዘጉት ነው። ስለዚህ ሪዝን ነው why ሪዝን ነው የጠየቀችው። ሶ ዳውተር ምን ልትል የምትችለው nobody likes going to school. ማንም ትምህርት ቤት መሄድ ስለማይፈልግ ነው ትምህርት ቤት የሚዘጋው? I don't expect so. Nobody likes. The way the expression also not correct actually. B, did you learn your year long yourself? Did you learn year long yourself? So ካመት ነው የተማርሽው። This is also not polite form expressing did you learn year long yourself. So ካመት ረጅም ዓመት ነው የተማርሽው። This is just a question, so should be something like polite way to answer reason. So B is not also the correct answer. C, I haven't any clue, mom. This is best because I have not any clue, mom. Just daughter knows that she don't have any clue